Picking up from the previous video about graphite pencils, I just wanted to touch on your basic drawing kit. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so I mentioned erasers and sharpeners in the previous video. And if you're new, you really probably don't know the difference. And what you just simply need to know is a good pink eraser is fine. And hopefully when you're drawing, you're not doing a whole lot of erasing. But this is a very handy thing to have, is an actual separate eraser from a pencil. What happens with a lot of #2 pencils, especially, is stock can get old. And those erasers, those really small pieces of rubber, they tend to harden up pretty quickly. And then you just get a smear instead of an erase. So if you test an eraser on a pencil and it's just smearing, there's nothing wrong with the pencil itself, but you better get something like just a simple pink eraser. Now from an art store, you can get one of these triangular white erasers. They're basically the same thing as a pink eraser, just a little bit different shape. They're very nice. They've got more of the pointy end. You've got those 3 ends to choose from. So that's just an option from an art store. And this type of eraser, the kneaded eraser, is ideal for those B pencils. So the pencils that are soft and black and they smudge easily. Well, you don't really want to use one of the pink or the white erasers because they're just going to make a mess. They're going to smudge really easily. And what's nice about the kneaded eraser is that you literally knead it, and it's soft and pliable, and it is a pickup. It picks up the graphite rather than rubbing it around. So that's when you would need a kneaded eraser, is if you're starting to use the softer B type pencils. Okay. And then when it comes to a sharpener, just get a sharpener. I have an electric sharpener. I have a mechanical sharpener. And then these little guys are great for just having in your kit. And speaking of kit, let's show you the most basic kit. You've got a regular old pencil sharpener, a #2 pencil, and a small sketch pad. What I wanted to say about this little kit is that you could see it's so small. It fits in a sandwich bag. You can take it with you. You can put it in the glove box of your car. You can keep it in your purse. You can just keep it someplace in your home, like the kitchen, someplace where you're going to practice drawing. So there's room, space for having a drawing kit is not an issue. You can have a nitty bitty little thing like this and it'll be fantastic. Now, if you want to start drawing bigger, this is a 3.5 by 5. It's really small. So there's a lot of sketch pads available out there. And they come in a lot of different sizes. And one of the things that's nice about these kinds is that they do have the spiral on the top, so that when you fold it over, it's nice and flat. And it makes it very nice for drawing because it's easy to hold and to draw on. There's also, of course, much larger pads. There's also ones with spiral binding. These are really preferable because, again, it's just so easy to fold yourself to a new sheet and have it flat on the table in any way you want to hold it. So it's really, really nice. So I recommend spiral bound sketch pads. But that's really all I wanted to say was, have a basic kit when you're learning to draw, or even if, I'm been a professional for decades and I love the little kit, because the little kit is great for doing idea sketches, getting my thoughts down on paper. I can use it for writing notes. It's just a really handy thing. And I also have a pen that I keep with my little kit. So that's all for today, and I hope that was helpful. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.